Anyway, Mr. Boyd, your name?
Robert Boyd.
Ladies.
Rob Harris, I'm the Confronts Township Ordinance.
All right, you have the right to a lawyer. Today is the date schedule.
No, thanks.
Okay, I got to tell you this, though. You do have the right to a lawyer. Be glad to give you one at public expense. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Would you like a lawyer?
No, sir.
All right, so just for the record, I went out and looked today. Boyd. Sir, I don't mean to be in the least bit disrespectful, but you cannot own a property in a township, in a city, around other neighbors, where it's just, I don't know how to say this without sounding rude. I mean, you got holes in the garage, you got inoperable vehicles, inoperable trailers and boats and weeds and I wouldn't want to walk in the house. What are we going to do here to get this resolved? Have you done anything since? Because I got to tell you, the pictures, they had pictures. When were these pictures taken? You guys gave me pictures before. At one point, they're in the file.
3-4 months ago.
Well, it looked better 3-4 months ago than it looks now. Seriously.
It's only because of the growth.
Huh?
Only because of the growth of the trees.
Well, I know.
It's covering stuff.
I know. Sir, do you have any children that can help you?
No, sir.
Do you have any children at all?
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
52, 40, 48,
Boys or girls?
46. Two boys and a girl.
Why won't they come help you?
Because they're working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. Well, not 16, 12 for the oldest one.
Listen.
The youngest boy is
I want to know what you're going to do to clean that property up because
going to work on it every day. Like
Listen.
that.
it looks like a, sir. Oh, I don't know what to tell you.
I'm only one guy, but I've been working on it every day.
What are you doing? What have you done? Tell me what you've done. It looks like you got vegetation all over, holes in the garage. It looks like the garage is going to fall down.
Well,
Your house looks like it's going to fall down. No neighbor should have to pull out of their driveway or drive down that street or anybody else and look at that property. Now, I don't mean to be mean. I mean, I get it. How old are you, sir? You're
77.
How long does this property look like that?
Since I know there's been violations there for 4 or 5 years.
Boy, you're not doing what you're supposed to do.
But I'm doing it.
No. You got to pick it up. What are you going to do with that garage?
I'm going to tear it down.
When?
I got a plan. I told you I had a plan.
Well, the plan, you've been in here. What's the plan? Tell me what the plan is.
Okay, the plan is I got another trailer that's bigger. The trailer that's in the driveway belongs to my son.
Get him out.
Borrowed it to get some stuff out of the garage so I can start tearing it out. That stuff's got to go into my trailer so I can move. And I've got underlayment laid down in the driveway to re-gravel the driveway. And the trailers are going. I got to put the truck into the shop today.
You told me when I was out there, you said rain dated the last 10 days. It isn't rain dated the last 10 days.
Oh, yes.
No, it hasn't. At night, maybe. Some of the time. It's been hotter.
It takes to wet the grass. Once the grass is wet, the lawnmower clogs all up. You can't cut the grass in the rain.
You haven't cut that grass in months. When's the last time you cut that grass? Come on now.
Today is Wednesday. I cut it Monday.
Well, it doesn't.
I cut the
2 days ago?
Pardon?
2 days ago?
That's right. It
What
rained.
do you guys want me to order over here? Tell me what you want me to order, and then I want you to go slow.
Your Honor, we have a list. First, the inoperable vehicle needs to be removed.
There are multiple inoperable vehicles, are there not?
I believe.
They haven't moved. I don't know if they're operable. I mean, they do have plates on them. The one still has the flat tire.
I should have looked and seen when the tags were renewed. I did not do that. That was my fault.
They got good.
Wait a minute, wait.
Okay.
I did check all the tags. All the tags are up to date, but the vehicles parked in the grass, vehicles, not operable, not moving. The one car with the flat tire hasn't moved in, I'll just be nice and say over a year. The trailers in the back, the storage containers.
Hang on.
Everything's a fire risk. I mean,
I know.
but that footage is.
All right, let's set a schedule. I want you guys to help me out here. All inoperable motor vehicles. First of all, do you want to say anything before I sentence you?
Yeah, motor vehicles have tags on, they have insurance on. I can only drive one at a time, and I'm driving jumper, so that's why I got two cars. The Yukon I use for pulling my wood trailer, I've heard with the.
Hang on a second. So you're saying they're not inoperable motor vehicles, that they're plated, they're licensed, they got insurance, and you drive them. That's what you're trying to tell me?
Yeah,
How many cars do you have?
two. 3 vehicles total. I put them there so I can stop the people from taking things.
Taking things.
Yeah, my tools that were in my tool trailer and garage. I'm out $23,000.
Did you make police reports?
Pardon?
Did you make police reports?
No, sir.
Somebody stole $23,000 worth of tools and you didn't,
23, yeah.
and it didn't dawn on you to make a police report?
No, because, they had their finger in the pot.
Who had their finger?
4 times I called him back there.
Who?
Charlestown Township Police.
No way.
Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what.
Wait a minute, slow down. You're telling me the police have been on your property and they're stealing your property?
Yeah.
Now be careful, because that's quite an accusation.
That's
Any police officer stealing property,
why, what was the sense of me making a police report to the guys who were taking the stuff? The last time I caught them, it was always around 4 o'clock in the morning. I got up to go to the bathroom. I heard voices out there, so I put my bathrobe on and went around that, RV trailer that you walked around. They were in the tool trailer. The, one policeman was standing outside with one of the big flashlights, made a big LED flashlight, made a big circle out of it in the door so the guy in the trailer could see what he's doing.
I'm gonna encourage you, hang on.
Pardon?
Hang on. I want you to go over to the Brownstown Police Department when we are done. And I want you to file a complaint. If that happened, you go file a complaint.
It's gone.
You go file a complaint. If somebody's stealing from you, I don't care who it is.
I have made complaints before, and they've been out there, but I showed them things. I didn't slow anybody down, and they're not the only ones. The kids down the block were the ones that started it. They're the ones that poked holes in the road. They're the ones that tore the windows out.
Are you making reports with the police? I mean, you told me that. I looked on the garage. There's no way kids are poking. Those are not hole pokes. Those are,
Yeah,
that is from total dilapidation of that garage.
they knocked the shingles off.
Shingles.
I mean, this has been a while going on. They've been stealing from me for about 5 years.
Mr. Boyd, I don't know what to do with this.
I can tell you one thing.
Let's just stay on track here. You're throwing me for a loop. You're telling me the police are stealing from you.
That's right.
You should make reports. Police, I don't care who it is, has no right to steal from you. If you think I'm stealing from you, or the police are stealing from you, or kids are stealing from you, or anybody else in the world stealing from you, you make a police report.
Well, I used to, but nobody did anything with it. They still came back regular, took what they wanted anytime they wanted.
I'm floored. Do you know what
The
you're saying?
police. I'm not talking about the police. They were only there that I know of 4 times.
Who was only there 4 times?
The police. I've caught them back there 4 times.
Stealing?
Yeah.
Did you see something in their hands?
No. I didn't stick around that long.
Was this at 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
So you caught them there 4 o'clock in the morning and you went back in your house?
Yes, sir.
Did you wake up and see the next morning whether or not something was missing? Yes or no?
I wouldn't know if it was missing or not.
Because you got so much junk back there.
Well, I've got tools and material.
You got junk back
I did have. They're gone now. I mean, they stole them all. Not the police only. There's one guy that lives back on Bully Drive. He was in there a lot.
Mr. Boyd. I don't know what to say.
I didn't want to. If you start a fight with the police, you lose.
That's not true.
It's my experience in life.
Have you ever come into court and had an argument with them and had
No.
judges rule against you and say they were right? That's not a fair statement. No, we don't treat people better because of who they are, what they do, who they know, or how much money they make. We don't do that here. And that's in this jurisdiction.
Well, that's in your court, sir. Yes, sir. I believe that.
Well, it's not my court, but let's focus here. I can't very well call them inoperable vehicles, but it creates a blight condition. You can't have even operable vehicles sitting in the property. It completely creates a blight condition. There's nothing but junk in there, sir. I mean, when's the last time you used that trailer or that boat?
Last year.
You used the boat last year?
Yeah.
You used the trailer too?
Yeah, the wood trailer I use every year, all through the summer.
The recreational vehicle, Judge, is full of, I mean, it's pictures I took today of it. They're, it's, I don't know what's there. I mean, it's wood. It's, it looks like the garage, the storage inside of the RV. I mean, you can tell just through looking through the windows, it's all the way up to the ceiling.
In what?
In the recreational vehicle, in the camper.
Well, I've got a couple of tree stands in
I
there.
don't mean to sound rude. You're kind of a hoarder. You know that, right?
Pardon? It's what?
You're hoarding.
What I have is,
You're hoarding. Now, I want you to tell me, nice and slow, what you would like me to order.
Your Honor, do you want to put together an order for the court? That'd be easier.
I would love it when we can come back another day.
I think that's wise.
Sir, I mean no disrespect. You seem like a very nice man. You really do.
Hey.
But you gotta get rid of that junk. You gotta get the garage torn down.
Yes, sir. It takes a
You
while.
gotta get the vehicles out of there. You gotta get the grass cut. You gotta get the brush cut. It takes a while. When is the first time you guys had contact with Mr. Boyd about this property?
It's been years. I mean, there's been multiple ordinance officers out there. I inherited it from Dennis, who had it prior to, and then, just.
So how long have you known that the township disapproves? Well, actually, let me rephrase. How long have you been maintaining a blight condition? And how long has the township known about that?
Well,
How many years?
I had cancer a couple of years ago.
Just tell me how many years. 5,
No.
6, 4?
What he's calling blight conditions, just the vegetation that's grown.
The vehicles are sitting in a field. The trailer.
They're sitting on my grass.
I know.
To block the driveway
To block the driveway from what?
from them stealing my trailer.
They're not gonna steal your trailer, sir.
Maybe, well,
How long has the time? You're saying it takes time.
it does. But I've been,
You've had 3 or 4 years. Let's not quarrel about it. You've had 3
it
or,
hasn't been like that all the time. I keep cleaning it off.
what do you mean? That looks like nobody's touched that in 10 years.
Then
That's a nuisance. It's,
where the garden was, yeah. And I plan on putting that back this year so I can have a garden next year. There was nothing I could do for a while because I had cancer and it took all my strength and had it twice.
sir, I'm sorry, and I hope that you experienced a full recovery, but you gotta do something over there. I'm adjourning this to July 30. You put together a recommended order. You send it to me ahead of time with a card. Do you take emails or just letters? Do you know how to use a computer?
Yes, but I just take letters.
Send me a letter, carbon copy him.
Well,
July 30 at 8:30, Lisa?
Yes.
I have a feeling you're not gonna listen to me, Mr. Boyd, when we come back.
I'm trying.
I don't think you are, sir. I don't think you are.
I'll have all the,
Why don't you get one of your kids to help you?
I can't, they live too far away.
Where do they live?
Well, the one lived, he works, up past 15 Mile Road. And, he's a manager of a,
All right, I don't need to hear all this.
yeah.
I
And
just,
the other one works for General Motors. And then he works over on East Fork Road. They work him 7 days a week,
good for him.
12 hours.
Maybe he can help you Get some other workers over there with all the money he's worth making, if he's working 7 days a week, and get some people over there to help you move the stuff, because I cannot let that go on. I don't want to come, you seem like a very nice man, but I don't think,
I'm gonna move I'm gonna move the 2 vehicles.
what about the trailer?
The trailer, I've got wood in it, I got a wood splitter right there, I don't know if you saw that.
Get the wood out of there. Get the wood out of the trailer and stack it somewhere nice.
That's,
Get the garage knocked down. Can you do all that in 2 weeks?
well,
Well, let's move. I'm telling you, I'm not going to be very patient on this.
I mean, I've got a plan, like I said.
Well, you know, I had a great plan to become president. I didn't make it. You got to execute your plan. You better start now. You follow?
Yes, sir.
Plan. You've known about this for years. Send me your proposed, this is what you're asking. I don't want it in order form. This is what the township, you can do it in a memorandum form, file it with the court, send them a copy, and we'll see everybody here. But please stop telling me you got a plan. You need to get moving, sir. You need to get moving. That is a disaster over there. I'd be so upset if I was one of your neighbors. And now you're coming in with these outlandish theories that the police are stealing, the kids are stealing, they're poking holes in the garage. Let's just, well, then go file a complaint right now. If you think anybody is stolen from you, go file a complaint. If you think anybody's damaged your property, go file a complaint. You can't just let that go.
I never caught the ones that started stealing.
Actually, even on your own words here, for whatever reason, you're saying they were out there at 4, you didn't see them take anything, and you didn't check the next day, I think you said, to see if anything was taken. Who knows? I don't know. All I'm telling you is I'll see you in 2 weeks. Get the vehicles out of there. Start cutting the brush. Get the wood out of the trailer. And then I don't have to be hard. I don't want to be hard here. I just want the property cleaned up. Okay?
Yeah.
Will you do that for me, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Nicholas Edward Gilliland.